tonight we're taking the grandkids out in the yak for a wee, just to get them a wee shot. And before we get criticised, I'm deliberately turning the middle seat round so it's facing me at the back. That way I can keep an eye on them better, just because they're so young. So just in case anybody's wondering, that's not the proper way of setting it up. We're just doing it that way tonight because it's our first time in it, just to see how they sit and behave, because you know what children are like. Yeah, so that was it, just to let you know just now before anybody comments on that anyway. So, by the note. Hello again. Just going to take advantage of this lovely weather. We're going to get back out in the canal. I don't actually know what this is called, but I've just seen spotted it. It's a Stockingfield Bridge. I'll tell you, I'm not let you see the sign. So this is where we are, but it's Canal Topa. What's it called, this bit? The other sign says Stocking Bridge. We're here. I think we're right in. This is where we're going to launch from. Another sign there. Stockingfield Bridge. Right, so got the kayak up there. I'm just waiting in the lane and a couple of guests that's coming out with us tonight. So I'll start to get the thing organised and I'll bring you back just about my lunch. Get into the boat? Yeah. And what's your name?
Zach.
And what age are you?
5.
And are you allowed to go in the boat?
Yeah.
Are you going to have a mutiny? No.
No.
No. Aye, matey?
No.
Oh, okay.
Right, Zach, stand back just now. Wait till we get in, okay? And then you can get in last. Do it properly. Yeah. Right. Hold on. Right. Wee second. Hold on.
Well, aboard the Skylark. Are we ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Back, okay? We'll be 5 minutes.
Hey, Grandpa, what's that?
Maybe a shark.
Wait, that's a, no,
Have you seen any dolphins
that
yet?
That circle thing, what's that?
I don't know. We'll see the way back the way. Nana's gently paddling just now.
I'm allowed to.
I'm just
trying to keep it straight. Because I thought that was why I was.
We'll just take it nice and easy because it's Zach's first time out in the big boat.
I don't want to get it in the
Our canal, Glasgow, our future.
Keep a wee eye out for dogs, remember? Because you might see them because you're trying close to them. You might even come back with them.
I'm not wanting any comments about slave labour, but he's got to work for his supper. Ain't you, Zach? Yeah, you're good at paddling. You've got dead fast now. It'd be helpful if you didn't keep soaking me right enough. You're up for busy looking. Are you up for busy?
Yes.
Is this good fun? Another nice night, sure it is.
I guess I must also get into kayak.
I don't need to paddle anymore. It's a case of, have a dog and bark yourself. You've got a crew member, let him do the work.
Grandpa, me was that thing, it's that head.
Have you seen any sharks yet?
No,
Any dolphins?
no.
What have you saw then?
Maybe I saw the jumping frog.
Yeah. So this is still the 4th of Clyde Canal. As I said earlier, I can't remember the name of that, the name of this section, but it's just off Maryhill Road. For anybody that knows this area at all, where that car's going down there, that takes you to the McDonald's and the big Tesco just at the top of Maryhill Road. But yeah, so I better take a shot in the engine room. What do you think, Jack? Zach?
Yeah.
Will I take another wee shot?
Grandpa,
take a shot, okay.
Grandpa, me was... Oh my god, you're good wet anymore.
Oh, Zach, you crashed us. This isn't the Titanic. I know, but Zach's supposed to be the captain. And he made us crash.
Right, no.
Ew, you spat on me. I put some.
Have you enjoyed yourself, Zach?
After you're there, Mia.
I see you.
You going to go and get
Ow! Who done that?
your nana? She getting you wet?
I tried to do that.
No, because you would just want to soak your nana.
No, I don't.
I know what you're like.
But now soaked me.
She's always soaking me. What's your name? What's your name?
You are.
You are Noah. Okay, right, we can go sailing now. You paddling, Noah? Noah? You going to make us crash?
Yeah.
Are you going to crash?
No, I go.
I don't want to crash.
Oh, no, I go crash.
Well, you made us crash.
Oh, no, go there, I go there.
Do you want Grandpa to save us?
No, I go there, I go there, I go.
You seen any fishes? Noah?
Yeah.
Did you see any jumping out of the water?
Oh,
What
yeah.
what about dolphins? Have you seen
What
any?
the fuck?
Have you seen any dolphins?
Yeah.
How many?
I don't know.
What about alligators? Did you see any alligators? No?
No. I'll say
So number 2 grandchild. Every 2 seconds, it's my turn.
it's my top.
You hear him? My turn. My turn. Yeah, a lovely night for it. But there's a lot of... Look at this, I'll show you. That's not the first bottle that we've seen. Such a shame, I mean, look at over the edge here. Cans and bottles. Honestly. Oh, did you see that big shark? Did you see it?
I say,
Did you see that shark?
yeah.
Yeah.
No,
First rest of it, don't you?
There's something there. Falling in the water. What is it?
I want to talk to the camera.
Alright, sorry.
These shorties off are busy. You working hard in the engine room, Noah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You crew member number 2. There's your mummy and your big brother up there.
That's okay. Well, I'm not yet, so.
My Clyde.
You alright?
Aye, hold on, it's because of Mum, I need to get.
Do you want a hand? Because it's a bit high.
What?
Want a hand?
No.
It's a bit high up, that's how I'm asking.
No, it's fine, it's kind of too far forward.
Right, that's us finished the video. We did just a short video. The grandkids out with us tonight. They loved it. The wee one especially is comical. Every 2 seconds it's my turn, it's my turn. But what can you expect for beans? For those who watch it, thank you very much for watching. There's no information whatsoever in this video at all. We're at the top of, basically top of Maryhill Road. This is probably the next section after the Maryhill locks. So we're going to get the kayak out now, and we'll get dried up and we'll get up the road. So once again, thanks very much for watching.